First sign of a dead battery. No honk. Second sign of a dead battery. And final sign of a dead battery. We have an issue. Thank goodness I bought a new battery charger. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Let's see if it actually works. I'm going to have my other half hook this up because he's done this a few times. So Kevin, what are you doing here?
Just hooking up your red to positive, black to negative, and then we're going to plug it into the charger. Here's negative. Right here is where we plug it in. You can't goof it up. Flat side goes on the flat side, round side goes on the round side. There we go. It's now charging your battery.
Well, it worked. So definitely you want to have one of these at all times. You never know when you're going to need it. Check it out.